So we're back again to do another look. Today I'm going to do matte looks, with the exception of one thing. So let's get started, shall we? And the first thing I'm using, of course, is the Skin Doctor Pixel Perfect Makeup Primer. It's blur perfecting, apparently. Pore blurring. Yeah, that's the word. Let's do it. Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution matte base, and if I bring it in you can read what number it is. I don't know whether it's 0205. I look at these things before I start. I can never, once I start, I can't remember. So let's just do it. Are we a bit light, do you think? Meh. Hopefully it'll oxidise down. I'm going to do something I don't usually do, and that is bring in another brush, hopefully to warm it up. I think that's better. That appears to be a bit better. Okay, next, eyeshadow. The palette I'm using is a BYS matte palette, and it's these colours. So I'm going to use, after I dust flakes off my shirt, I'm going to use this one all over the eye. They don't have names. Okay, in the outer corner, I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'll go in with a different brush and just blend them together. I've got a hair that can't make up its mind where it wants to sit. Now, under the, excuse me, I just knock everything around. Under the brow bone, I'm going to use this one here, staying in with pinky browns. And don't worry about mess, we can clean it. Now, with the other end of this brush, this one, I'm going to go in with this colour, the outside colour, and go underneath the eyes. Sorry for the top of my head. Now for a little bit of difference, I don't know where I got this from, but it's Milani. Oh, here, I'll turn it round. Maybe you can read it. I can't read it. I don't even know why I tried. Now I'm just going to use that. It's a lovely shade of purple. Just get another brush. And just blend it in. Alright. Mascara, I'm using the Rimmel Wake Me Up. There it is. Just for a change. Now while that's drying, I'll do my eyebrows. And yes, I can see underneath my eyes, don't panic. I'm using the Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. Going back in with the mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay, now we do the cleaner. I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay 24 concealer. There it is. I'm using the Be Beauty 3 palettes. Contour, blush, highlight. Now, contour, blush, highlighter. Lips is the Rimmel Exaggerate pencil. The colour is Red Diva. Over the top of that I'm using, there it is, BYS, which is, I've forgotten, BYS Glitter lip gloss. Two glitter things, sorry. Now, there you have the look. Should we get a closer look at the eyes? Of course. Thanks for watching. Happy Father's Day. Beautiful.